Hello everyone. Today I am going to make the project that is LED chaser. So first of all, let us see the components. We'll be requiring one Arduino Uno board, 5 LED, 5 1 kilo ohm resistor, some jumper wires, one USB cable and one breadboard. So now let us first connect the LED. So this is the positive pin of the LED, the longer one, and the shorter one is the negative pin of the LED. So now we'll place it on the breadboard like this. We'll place all the 5 LED in the same way. Just check where you have connected the positive pin, either left side or right side. You can connect it or place it anywhere. So I will be placing accordingly. So I have placed all the 5 LEDs. Now I will place all the 1 kilo ohm resistor to the negative pin of the LED one by one. So first of all, I will connect it to the, and I will place all the other terminal of the resistor to the negative rail of the breadboard. So place it like this. So now we'll be connecting the positive pin of the LED to the digital pin of the Arduino. So we'll connect it one by one. First of all, let us see with the first LED. The first LED positive will go to the digital pin of the, that is pin number 2 of the Arduino, like this. Then the second pin, second LED pin, that's the positive pin, will go to the pin number 3. At the third pin of the LED, this third LED positive, will go to the pin number 4. And the fourth one, the fourth LED positive pin will go to the pin number 5, and the fifth pin of the fifth LED, that is the positive pin, will go to the pin number 6 of the Arduino. Now we have to connect the ground pin of the Arduino. The ground pin of all the resistor, that is, it is already common. So as I have connected to the negative rail of the breadboard, so I have connect one jumper wire to the ground pin of the Arduino. Then I will connect it to any empty hole of the negative rail of the breadboard like this. So I have connected the ground pin. So now our circuit is completed. Next, we'll see the coding part. So now we'll do the coding. So first of all, we'll open the Arduino IDE. I have already opened the Arduino IDE. As you can see the coding of the LED chaser. So in the void setup section, we'll first declare the LED pin that is connected to the Arduino. So for that, we have used the function pin mode function. So in the pin mode function, the first part, that is 2, it is written, that is the pin number of the LED that is connected to the Arduino. And the second part, that is output, that means that pin we are using as output or input, so we are using as output. So similarly, we'll do this for the other LED pin also, that is for pin number 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the pin will be output. So in the void loop section, we have to do the coding to turn on and off the LED and also to give the delay. For that, we'll be using the digital write function. So inside the digital inside the bracket, you can see this 2 is the pin number that is connected to the Arduino from the LED pin. and 1 is the value, that means it is on and off. 1 means high and 0 means low. So this 1 means we are turning on the LED, and we have given the delay 500 millisecond, that means 0.5 second. So the LED that is connected to pin number 2 will be turning on for 5 seconds, and after 0.5 second, and after 0.5 second this LED will turn off. That's why we have written 2, 0, and at that time the LED that is connected to pin number 3 will be turned on. So like this it will do for the other LEDs also, that is for the LED that is connected to pin number 4, 5 and 6. Output of LED chaser, as you can see the LED are chasing each other. Thank you.